Hello everyone, my name is Tina. In today's video, I'm so excited to show you how to do this super easy DIY Minecraft piñata out of cardboard box. You'll need a cardboard box, green and black streamers, scissors, hole puncher, glue stick, and nylon cord. First, work on the base of your piñata by removing two smaller flaps so that it is easier to beat your piñata open. With your green masking tape, tape the two flaps on the bottom like so. Second, work on the top of your piñata, again by removing the two smaller flaps. Once that's done, punch 4 holes like so, 2 holes on each flap. Third, prepare your streamers. Layer your green streamers on top of each other like so and make cuts 2/3 of the way. The cuts do not necessarily have to be uniform or equally distanced. Depending on the size of your cardboard box, make as many fringe streamers as you'll need. The key to making a piñata is to have your streamers ready so that it is easier for you to glue it onto your cardboard box. Since the day that I first made a piñata, it has now turned into a birthday tradition whereby I make a DIY piñata for my kids' birthdays. You simply cannot go wrong with a DIY piñata. Children always have a blast when they get to take turns to hit the piñata open and rush towards it to collect as many candies and treats as they can. By the way, if you haven't watched my first DIY piñata video, the link is down in the description below. I explain more in details on the different techniques I tried to make the preparation of the fringe streamers faster and more efficient. Here I am preparing the black streamers. Now go ahead and apply glue onto your cardboard box. Starting from the bottom to the top, apply glue and layer your green streamers over it. I used an image of a Minecraft creeper as a reference and decorated it with black streamers as the creeper's eyes and mouth. Since my son is a huge Minecraft fan, every now and then I asked him for his feedback on the position of the black streamers to make the piñata look as Minecraft as correct as possible. To do that, I layered the black streamers on top of the green streamers to make the eyes and mouth like so. For certain portions, without any rhyme or reason, I simply glued the black streamers straight onto the cardboard box and not onto the green streamers. Either way you do it, it turns out fine. This is how one face of the cardboard box looks like. Pretty neat and cool, right? Next, go ahead and work on the other face of the box. Same technique. Time to time, I refer back to the completed Minecraft creeper that I've just done as a reference so as not to deviate too much from the completed side. Once you complete the second face of the box, work on the sides. Simply glue the green streamers onto both sides of the box. Now fill up your piñata with candies and treats and work on the top of the cardboard box. Insert your nylon cord across all the 4 holes you've made and make a knot. This will be your piñata handle. Next, tape them down with the green masking tape. Make sure to tape it down on all the corners and openings at the top of your piñata so that when you hold your piñata, the top portion stays secured. Lastly, as a finishing touch, apply glue and stick your fringe streamers onto the top portion of your piñata. You might have noticed that the sides of the box weren't taped down correctly. Later, I taped the sides down on top of the streamers after I was done decorating the box to make sure that the top lid of the piñata stays secured. Then I went ahead and stuck streamers on top of my masking tape. Voila! Here is your super easy DIY Minecraft piñata out of cardboard box. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on how to make the easiest piñata. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye and take care.